Hello from Hengehold Trucks. You are looking at a 2022 GMC 3500 with 49,733 miles. Go ahead and pretend you're not impressed. Stick around to the end of this video to hear this baby's engine purr. This vehicle's highlights include a bin package, a materials rack with ratchet straps and conduit box, no windows in the cargo area for improved security, and more. It is eligible for a Section 179 tax write-off. Businesses have counted on Hengehold trucks for over 75 years. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. We don't do gimmicks or shortcuts, just quality trucks, fair deals, and a handshake you can count on. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck. It's your business.